Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nails by Riss here, and in today's video you guys get to watch me do my nails at home. I'm going to be doing this gray matte look with a glossy glitter accent nail. Stay tuned if you want to see how this turned out. To start off, I cleaned my nails and I started pushing back my cuticle areas. Then I went ahead with my buffer and filed the top surface of all of my nails. This is a very important step because without filing the surface of the nails, it's likely that the gel nails will pop off or start peeling right away. From there, I started to file the free edge and shape the nails to the desired shape that I wanted, and for this I just decided to go with a square, keeping it simple. I went in with my dehydrator and put that on all of my nails, and then I put my D&D gel base coat on and cured it in my LED lamp. I'm going in with my first coat of my gray gel polish. After I got it on all of my nails, I cured it in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm going in with my second coat of gray polish. I did this on all of the nails again and cured in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Once I finished my second coat, I went in one more time to make sure there were no areas that I missed and cured that in my lamp as well. Now I'm going in with a gray glitter sparkle gel on my ring finger to give it a little accent. Going in with a second coat of the gray glitter to make it a little bit darker and even more sparkly. Now for the final steps, I'm going in with a glossy gel coat on my ring finger and then a matte top coat on the rest of my nails. I wanted to try out this new matte gel that I got, and I wanted to have it a little bit different than any of the other nails that I've done before. For the final step, I'm wiping off all of my nails, getting rid of that sticky top layer. I did my right hand off camera, and here's the final look of how my gray gel matte and glossy nails turned out at home. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.